Reflectivity is a shader parameter in the source engine that can help light up levels without the use of additional light sources. This parameter can be added to VMT files and is used to declare how much light should be bounced off a material from static light sources when compiling levels. When used, this parameter overrides a VTF's file embedded a reflectivity value that is typically generated when importing textures through VTF edit if the option is checked. The parameter requires a material vector, specifically vector 3, to represent each of the R, G and B channels. Playing around with these values, we can see how they appear in game. Check the video description for download links to the materials used in this video, as well as some additional wiki resources if you'd like to read more on the topic.